Hello, people. So there's this other movie called Bhoot Police that is on Disney Hotstar. Disney Plus Hotstar, and it stars Saif Ali Khan, Arjun Singh, Jacqueline Fernandez, and Yami Gautam. And Bhoot Police is essentially about these two brothers who are said to be tantrics, but basically they are like fooling people. But then finally they come across Yami Gautam gets them this case that is all about a certain ghost that is haunting her tea estate. And apparently their father, the characters, na Saif Ali Khan and Arjun Singh, their father was like a renowned tantric who had got rid of this particular ghost 27 years ago, but now that ghost has reappeared. So it is very I'll say this, yeah, my major grouse against this film is that it's supposed to be a comedy film, but it is you're not sure at which parts to laugh and which parts to take the movie seriously, yeah, because it is just so there's been a bit of hodgepodge. I mean, the script is going all over the place. So like as a writer myself, I should keep this in mind that you know one shouldn't really confuse an audience, like completely get them all confused. I think it's important. So all the same, all the performers, they've done their best. And considering Yami Gupta gets possessed towards the end and followed by Saif Ali Khan, who's also possessed, so it is, it's like, you know, one minute you're like expected to laugh, next minute you're like actually scared. So it's one confused film, yeah. But do try and catch it because it's a very interesting attempt, at least in a slightly different direction than the usual masala entertainers and all. So this film is called Bhoot Police, and you can watch it on Hotstar, Disney Plus Hotstar. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.